What's happening, everyone? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Angel, and in today's video we're gonna go from a design all the way to printing on a t-shirt. So this is gonna be a good one. You want to stay to the end, and also don't forget to like this video and subscribe and ring post notifications. Alright guys, let's get into the video. Okay guys, so the next thing we're gonna be doing is go ahead and degrease our screen. Right here, this is a brand new screen that I just received. But even though they are new, it's always good to degrease them and make sure they are clean, no particles, no dust, nothing. Always make sure that screen is clean. All right, guys. So now I'm gonna go ahead and take you to my wash out booth. Alright guys, so we just finished degreasing our screen. They already dried. Now the next thing we need to do is go ahead and coat our screens. But before we do that, I went ahead and I covered my window with a plastic bag, a big heavy duty garbage bag. And the reason why I did that because I don't have a space for the dark room. So I'm using the same space for the dark room. So like that, the sunlight will not come in using a black garbage bag. Okay, this is the really heavy duty one, like thick one. So again guys, I'm just using what I have. I know in the future probably I should invest, I don't know, something better than a garbage bag, but that's what I'm using for now, and it's working fine for me. Alright guys, so let's go ahead. Now the next step we're going to be doing is go ahead and coat our screens. Got my coater here. I'm going to be using the thin side. Okay, and pour enough here. That should be good. So again, I'm gonna be using my thin side, and I'm gonna do 1 and 1. Alright, so this one's done. Check it out. You want to make sure you put it facing down. That's one down. Alright guys, so we just finished coating our screens. Now the next thing we're going to be doing is let these sit for 24 hours. That is what is recommended. But if you have a controlled environment, of course you could do it with less time. And yeah. So I'll catch you guys tomorrow, but for you guys, we'll be in a second. And just like that guys, it's already the next day. So now the next step we're gonna be doing is go ahead and jump into our computer, get the artwork ready to print it out on a film, and then go ahead and expose our screen. All right guys, let's go ahead and do that. All right guys, so I'm here in my graphic design software. I'm using Affinity Designer. I'm gonna go up here where it says document setup, and go to color format, switch that to CMYK, and transparency background, turn that on. So now we should have a transparency background here. Okay, so now the next thing I'm gonna go ahead and do, this artwork is already ready. I'm just gonna go ahead and turn some of the registration marks here. So I'm gonna click right here, go to my layers, and turn those on. I'm gonna be printing multiple here. So let's go up here, turn those on. Okay, turn these on. And by the way, if you guys want to see a video how to use this program, leave it in the comment section below. I would love to make one. All right, so there it is. Now these are ready to go in printing, but before we do that, we want to make sure, right, that our colors are 100% black. So I'll go up here. Sorry, let's do this one because this is probably going to be the one I'm going to be printing. So let's go up here, and I'm going to go ahead and click on these right here, and you want to switch it to CMYK. Make sure you always want to make sure that sliders says 100%. If it says 100%, you are good to go. So now I'm going to go ahead and print these films, and I'll see you on the other side. Alright guys, so the next thing we're going to be doing is go ahead and align our film with the registration lines we have created in our palette. And I already have my screen right here. And the way I'm going to be doing it is go ahead and align my film and press it down like that. It will get stuck into the screen, okay guys? So I'm going to give you a closer look, so let's go ahead and do that. Alright guys, so I'm going to go ahead and grab my film, align it with the registration lines that I had created. Maybe in another video I can make a video about my registration lines, right? How I create my registration lines. So now what I'm doing is making sure they align correctly. So once you have it all good, that it looks good, that you're happy with it, you're gonna go ahead and press down and go around. Make sure you get the tape. And voila. Alright, so now I'm gonna go ahead and clean the glass, because you always want to make sure you clean the glass like that. You'll avoid having pinholes, like dust, whatever is in the glass, it will cause pinholes. So you always make sure you clean your glass, alright? Alright guys, so we got all 3 screens ready to go. Let me go ahead and show you how they look. They came out pretty good. I'm happy that I was able to find the right exposure time, because this is a new emulsion that I'm trying, and 30 seconds did the job. Left chest right here, one of my logo, a design that I'm going to be doing for that. I love this one. I love how it came out, to be honest. I never done one with so much detail. I don't know if you can see it, but it has a lot of detail. So that came out really nice. This is also artwork that I did on Procreate, and then I vectorized it on Affinity Designer. And we got this one also. This is an artwork that I created. Stay Creative, right over here. Yeah, so we got that. I'm gonna be creating more artworks, be honest. But yeah guys, so now we are all ready to go and put some ink on the screens. But again, it's been a long day for me, and making these videos take forever. So I'm gonna get some rest. Catch you tomorrow. Alright guys, so the next thing we're gonna be doing is go ahead and put some water-based adhesive on our palette, and also we're gonna go ahead and put some ink in our screen, and let's get to printing, guys. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and load our t-shirt. I'm using a Bella Canvas t-shirt. Okay. Try that in there. Make sure I got it nice and aligned. Then, just going to bring it back to that line that I had created. Okay. Just like that. I'm gonna go ahead and bring my flash in for a little bit. sure I move that. A couple seconds here. Okay. Not used to this squeegee, but give it a shot, right? Yeah, that squeegee, I gotta get used to that squeegee, to be honest. It's kind of weird. I'm not used to it. Plus the flooding the screen. I gotta get used to that. Alright, so I'm gonna hit it again. That looks good. Go ahead and flash. So once we flash it here, guys, what we're gonna do is go ahead to that heat press and press it, and that's how I'm gonna cure my t-shirt. Because I gotta find the right timing to be able to cure the t-shirt, because I really don't know how to do it. Okay, guys? Just like that. Go ahead and flash it. Oh, this is so much easier, guys, because I was using the heat gun, and that would take forever. Now with this, so much better. So let's go ahead and do our left chest. All right. That up. Couple seconds right there. It's a little tacky. That's good. That's what you want. That looks good, guys. Alright guys, so the final process is going to be curing with the heat press at a 320 degrees. And I'm going to be using some parchment paper over here. This is what I use, right? As in right now, I don't have the right time to cure with the flash, and that is the reason why I'm using the heat press. Alright guys, so maybe in another video, I can make a test with the flash. Let me know in the comment section below if you would like to see something like that. Alright guys, so let's go ahead to our heat press. Make sure we check our temperature. Make sure you get one of these. Alright, so we are good to go. It's 320 right now. So let's go ahead and do that. Alright guys, so this is a messed up shirt. Just want to make sure it cures really well with the temperature that I have it. As you can see, it's not cracking, you know, so we are good. Of course you got to put like really strength trying to get it cracked, but it's not cracking, guys. So we are good to for the other t-shirts. We are good. All right guys, so that is cured 100%. That's how you cure a t-shirt with the heat press. Looks good. Love how it came out, guys. Alright guys, so there you have it. That was my process from design all the way to printing on the t-shirt. Let me go ahead and show you the shirt, how it came out. I think it came out sick. Check it out. Came out nice. Left chest right there. Alright guys, so if you found some value in this video, make sure you like this video, subscribe, and ring post notifications. My name is Angel. Take care.